Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this eyeshadow look, which is inspired by St. Patrick's Day. We got the gold on top, like the pot of the gold, and then we got a really colorful lash line for the rainbow, and then the green, all the little four-leaf clovers, and I just think it's a really awesome St. Patrick's Day eyeshadow look, and I really love how it turned out. So if you want to see how to get this eyeshadow look, then you're in the right place. Just keep watching. Here I'm going to be taking a brown shade and blending that into my crease as the transition color. I'm just going to blend that until I like the way it looks. I apologize for the way my lighting keeps going in and out. Then I'm going to get into my other palette and get out the dark green shade and pop that below the brown shade and just blend that. I'm just going to keep adding the green shade until I'm happy with the color and the darkness of it. I'm going to put it in the inner and outer corners as well to create a halo effect. I'm just going to keep adding and blending that green shade. Excuse my dog, she's very rowdy today. Blend, 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 blend. And I'm happy with the way that looks. So then I'm going to take some of my Wet n Wild concealer and I'm going to carve out a little bit of space. That way it creates the halo eye that I want. I'm going just a little bit above my crease with the concealer. And I needed a little bit more, so I'm just adding a little bit more concealer to my lid. Now I'm going to go into my Hikari eyeshadow pigment that I received in my Ipsy bag. I will link the Ipsy bag unbagging below. I'm just going to take that on my finger and put it right where I put the concealer. Then I'm just going to keep adding until I'm happy with the way that gold shade looks on my lid. I'm going to take the little brush to try to make it a little bit more precise, but if I mess it up, I'm going to fix it in a second anyways. I like the way that looks. So then I'm going to go back with my green shade and I'm going to blend those two colors together to make them look more like they're meant to be together or whatever. Like there's no harsh lines and all that good jazz. Now I'm going back in with the brown shade and blending out the green edges a little bit. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush and work on my lower lash line. I'm going to take a dark blue shade and put that at the outer corner. And then I'm going to clean off my brush on my hand and grab some dark pink and put that right beside of it. Oh, my bad, I took orange. And now I'm going to get some more orange and put that down because I didn't like how dark I looked before. Now I'm taking the dark pink shade, sorry guys, and I'm putting that beside the orange. And then I'm just going to grab some purple and put that beside the pink. Then I'm going to go into a green gold shimmer color and put that on the inner corner. And this is the final look. Okay guys, I'm going to go apply mascara and eyeliner and I'll be right back. So guys, this is the completed look. I went ahead and added eyeliner and mascara. My wings aren't even, but they never are. So but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I think the eyeshadow look turned out really good, better than I thought it was going to personally. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.